How to access email account through Webmail. You can access your email account directly from Webmail. Let's see how you can do this. Open your browser and in the address bar type in webmail.example.com. I have used example.com for tutorial, but you would replace example.com with your domain name. You would not use example.com. It brings you on the Webmail sign-in page. Now enter the full email address and then password. It shows the round cube webmail because I have set it as a default. If you haven't, it might ask you to choose among different webmail applications once you hit the login button. You just have to click on one of the applications you want to use. Click the login button. That's it. From here, you can manage your email account. If I don't have any email otherwise, it shows up here. Now you know how to access your email account. Thank you for watching.